Also tonight, a big decision was made today that impacts the new gun law that went into effect in September. A judge is now blocking several sections of the law from being enforced.
Yeah, but nothing is going to change, at least not right away. 2 News Side's Nate Benson has looked at the ruling closely and is here to explain the decision. Nate, it's a little confusing for the average person.
Yes, Scott and Mary Alice, there are 6 different provisions of the bill that the judge is blocking, but not entirely. According to the ruling, someone applying for a gun permit no longer has to prove that they are morally fit. It's up to the agency to prove that you aren't morally fit. Having to turn in your social media handles when applying for a permit was ruled unconstitutional. Also, that expanded list of public spaces where you can't bring a handgun has been reduced. The law that was passed in September greatly expanded where you can't carry a gun. The judge reversed several of those today, saying the government-owned buildings, schools, polling places, and a few other exceptions could only ban guns. Attorney John Elmore says the judge in this case felt the law did not have precedent to keep intact, but Elmore also says changes in the political leanings of the appeals court could make this a short-term victory for gun rights activists.
When you think about the Second Circuit Court of Appeals, there's been recent changes in the composition of that court. The court previously had a Republican majority. Since then, President Biden has made 3 appointments, and the judges are more middle of the road or liberal judges.
It was the Second Circuit Court of Appeals that went against Governor Cuomo's religious service restrictions during the height of the pandemic. Governor Hochul said today in a tweet that the judge is limiting her ability to keep New Yorkers safe and that she is working with the Attorney General to ensure an appeal is filed. The judge's decision today does not go into effect until 3 business days from now. Mary Alice?
Nate Benson reporting live for us tonight. Thank you, Nate.